Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here, another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve if you're coming up with an error on your Windows computer where it's failed to play the test tone. So if you're opening up your sound settings and you're unable to actually run a test of the audio, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully go about fixing that. And we're going to start by opening up the Start menu. Just left click on the Start button one time. Type in Services. Best match should come back with Services right above App, so go ahead and left click on that. Scroll down to the Windows Audio service and double click on that. Make sure startup type is set to automatic, and if service status is stopped, you want to select the Start option. And then go ahead and select Apply and OK. Another thing you can try, if you close out of here, open up the Start menu, type in Settings, Best Match, going to come back with the Settings app, go ahead and left click on that. Select the System tile, select Sound on the left side. So underneath Sound, you want to select the Troubleshoot option. Okay, so once that's done, select Close. Would suggest restarting your computer, and hopefully that would have been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.